Hey everyone, welcome back to Fun Tech Reviews. Today we're going to look at the Proscenic M7 Pro and how well it does on high power and low power with fine debris. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe, and if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button down below. Alright, so today we're going to test the M7 Pro on low power mode to see how well it does with fine debris on low power. Alright, so the M7 just finished in the kitchen on low power mode. As you can see, it left quite a bit of debris left in the kitchen. I'm going to let it go back to the dock here and empty itself, and then I'll show you a little bit more of the kitchen area and how much it left. Alright, so as you can see, it left a big clump of debris there as it was going back to the dock. We'll go ahead and put it on high power mode and see if it does a better job. I'll first vacuum this up, and then we'll see what happens next. Alright, as you can see here, I spread around some more debris on the hard floor here, about the same amount as before. I'm going to set the robot to high power mode, and we'll go ahead and get started, and we'll compare the two at the end. Alright, it just finished in the kitchen here on high power. As you can see, it did pretty decent compared to the low power test. However, due to the side brushes, it scattered quite a bit of the debris around. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.